Please follow these steps to assemble the table. Prepare the above materials to be installed. First, screw screw and cork C into the corresponding holes in the board respectively. Press screw B into each of the holes in board 4. Then merge the two boards. Second, screw the screw H into the hole of the wooden block numbered 14. The cork is then placed on the side of the block at serial number 14 and the two blocks are combined. Then tighten the screws. Third, prepare planks 6, 8, 10, 12, 9 and 7. Then, place cork C into each of the holes in the boards. Screw screw into the hole corresponding to the wooden board. Then the boards were fastened together with screws D. Fourth, place plank block 11 into the completed assembly from part 3. Fifth, screw screw into wood block number 5. The cork C is then inserted into the holes of the completed parts of part 4. Then the two parts are merged. Screw D into each of the holes. Sixth, screw the screws E into the holes respectively. Seventh, place cork C in the hole. Screw A into the hole. Then put plank 13 in and tighten the screws. Eighth, the cork C is first inserted into the holes of the planks. Then the two parts are merged. Screw the screw D into the hole. Ninth, screw the screws F into the four corners. Tenth, screw component I into the corresponding hole in the wood block board with screw G. 11th, screw component I into the hole in wood block board 15 with screw G. Finally, this coffee table is installed.